Good day guys, I'm Masaj Kaur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. And friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, first we draw this circle and this outer circle, and this circle has the diameter of 20 units and this outer circle has the diameter of 40 units. Type C for circle and press enter. Now we give the center point and type D for diameter and give the value 20 units. Now we use the circle command and type D for diameter, and the outer circle has the diameter of 40 units like this. Now we draw a line here. Press F8 for the linear movement of line. Now we draw an angle with the 30 degree. Type 65, press tab and give the angle 60 degree. Now we check the angle 30 degree. Like this. Now we draw a circle here with the radius of 40 units. Like this. Now we draw this circle with the radius of 5 units. And now we draw this circle with the radius of 10 units. Like this. And now we draw a circle here. First we trim this circle and trim this circle here. Select the circle, type MI for mirror and click here and click on no. With the TR double enter, we trim this circle. Select it and delete it. Now we trim this circle with the TR double enter like this, and we select it and delete it. Select this circle and type MI for mirror and click on no. We select these circles and delete it. Now we draw this circle with the radius of 7 units, and for that we use the 10-10 radius. And with the TR double enter, we trim this circle. Like this, and we select it and type MI for mirror and we mirror it. Now we trim this circle with the TR double enter, select these and delete it. Now we make this shape, and for that we select it and type MI, specify the first point give the direction and click here and click on no. And with the trim tool, TR double enter, we trim this circle like this. So guys, in this way we make this shape. And if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.